Okay, let's try this. So to text a photo is, I guess, easier. So I'll go to some photos. And I have not sent her this one. So I'll send this one. Now I could, since my wife is right here, I could go ahead and select it and see the blue icon for the messages, but I'll do it this way. Then you could go find your contact that you want to, or the conversation that you want to send to, or choose new message. And I'll just choose her, and you see it's inserted. Tells me to add text, and I'll just click send, and it's sending that photo.